How to remove songs from Instagram posts. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. For this, you will need to have professional account. You will find business tools and controls below for professional, then click on branded content, which is the second option. To make sure this works, your status should be eligible in here. As you can see, I'm not eligible, but I'll show you how to do it. Simply go to the post where there is song, click on three dots, and in here you will find branded content option. I am not eligible, so there is no settings like this, but you will find something like this. Make sure you turn on add paid partnership level and you're good to go. After that, your song will be removed. This is how to remove songs from Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.